Brandon's now going to demonstrate how you locate the timber. Oh, I see, you just slide it on like that.
It's not going to go down there.
Nah. And then what we do now, we're getting off a cut piece, some spare packing pieces, and my super duper dead blow mallet, and you work your way along, tapping it like so. That's it. Use the grooves on the grooves. Work your way along. Just check it's in line as you go. Actually, it's coming down into line nicely. That's it. And then you check it's all down by checking at the ends there. Look. Right, welcome back to the channel, people. We're back at the log cabin, the Dunster House Ltd project, and my mate Brandon's round here. And myself. It's Friday afternoon, so today's project, we just want to get the base done, the tannelised timbers, the treated timbers done, and a couple of layers, and then we can go and have quite a beer, I think. And then tomorrow we can just go up and up and up with it. So there's more bits than we thought, to be fair. So this is what we've got on the site so far. All the tools, all the timber, and it's a little bit more complicated than we thought because he's bought this log cabin. The large log cabin comes in two sections. So you've got the main section on the left there, and then there's an extension there. You pretty much got to marry up sort of two instruction leaflets to make one. So first of all, plan it out and take the measure out, measure it all up and see what we've got. Right, bigger on the right, two in the middle. Right, let's go for it. Right, we're getting there. I'll show you what we've done so far. So basically, you get your treated timbers at the back. This is the extension. Two treated timbers screwed together with, I think, 50mm screws. Put your one there like so, and then you put these at 400mm centres. So that's one frame made up there, the extension. And then we're just putting the screws in for the other side, the main building, the main shed. Same as last time. Double up, two at the front, two at the back, 400 centres point of view, front backwards, 400 centres there, 400, 400, 400, 400, 400. But then that one joins to that one with 70mm screws. Then you put your timbers around the edge. Easy. Right, there it is. So what we've done now, there's two timbers at the front, two timbers at the back, and then we put our first row down. We're using a 5mm packer under there. There's a 5mm pack under there, so we've got a 5mm lip all the way around. And then you put the 70mm screws through. Pilot screw it, or pilot drill it, sorry, and then screw it down. We're getting there. It's beer time, people. Put the tools inside, pack away the camera gear, and have a pint. Tomorrow's should be a bit easier because we're going to up the height, and then we're going to do a couple of layers, and then get off the ground. I'll catch you later. Bye bye. Right, we're back at the Dunster cabin build today, people. Well, didn't do a full day yesterday, to be fair, so we didn't get as far as we had hoped, I must admit, because it was scorching hot. We're back on the job now. We're just squaring it up a little bit, and then got a bit more blood in that. So the key is to get all this square, measure it diagonal. Like we think, doesn't it, Brandon?
Yeah.
Well, these timbers, to be fair, I'm not sure are brilliant. Right, you've got to go with what you've been given, I suppose, out of the kit. If you want to buy your own and spend more money. So that's that. We'll be back in a minute. Let's just get this frame done, the bottom layer, and then we can do some more layers, go up and up and up and up. I'll just show you how it joins. I'm just going to show you how it joins together. So you've got the main cabin on the left, and then the right hand side is the extension. And that is how it goes, like so. Like that. We hope. And you put a piece in there. Eventually there's a plate there, a timber plate that comes up oversight to join that up. But we're getting there now, the base is down, the first few layers down. Once you get the first few layers down, I think we're sort of laughing. A few are twisted, so you've got to sort out the good from the bad. And it's a bit of a two-man job really to get them back down. One person, you get a twisted one, if you get a nice length, a nice straight timber, you're laughing. But if you've got a bit of a twisted bent one, or bowed rather, do need a couple of you, one to put it into shape and one to knock it down. But I'll spin the camera and show you what we've got so far. So it's looking nice now. We've actually got some walls up there, look. And because we've got an extension, you get a bit of a gap there, a bit of a line there, but there's a timber plate going on the outside and on the inside, and it's going to be pulled together with some bolts, coach bolts I do believe, or bolts. So Brandon's now going to demonstrate how we locate a timber. Oh, I see, you just slide on like that.
It's not going to go down there, no.
Nah, and then what we do now, we're getting off a cut piece, some spare packing pieces, and my super duper dead blow mallet, and you work your way along, tapping it like so. That's it. Use the grooves on the grooves, work your way along. Just check it's in line as you go. See, it's coming down into line nicely. That's it. And then you check it's all down by checking at the ends there, look. That's it. Alright, let's go and have a look what we've got so far. I think the best day for it, scorching hot, bloody 100 degrees I think. And there we go. The back gets fully built up, the left back and the right back and the left side and the right side. The front, we've got to do a certain amount of layers and then they stay, put your window parts in. And then you need to, I think it's a certain amount of height they say, and then you've got to start putting your windows in. So we should get the windows in and frames in today, I reckon. We'll see. Right, I'll pop back in a minute later on when we've done a bit more. See how much we get done this heat. Try and get the windows in, don't we, Brad? Brad, why do I keep calling you Brad? Try and get the windows in today, wouldn't we? Hopefully.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
I think what we should have done in hindsight, but the timbers are scattered everywhere. In hindsight, I think you'd be better off loading all the timbers out around the field, around the property, around the garden. So the ones you want over on the left, leaning against the left fence. The ones you want at the back, leaning against the back fence, etc., etc. But it's not been done like that. But so we're going to struggle on, aren't we, mate? Right, that's me done with the day, people. Baking hot, burnt, but we're getting somewhere now. The main structure's up. It's getting a bit late in the afternoon, so we're not going to put the windows in today, I don't think. You need to do the windows, you need to be another day, you need to be in a position where you can do the windows, get them secure and get some timbers over the top to make them nice and secure. We've done the windows in now and leave them flopping in the window and everything, so I'll show you what we've got so far. This is the one with the extension, so we've got the cabin on the left. There you go, we've got cabin on the left there, door, window, and Brandon, the team leader. Then let me step over here, and then we're going to have two windows on the side extension here. It's going alright. This is how you do the extension basically. You put a plate, when you get to about, I think they said 8 timbers up, 8 boards up, you put these plates on. The long one on the outside, next side's down on the inside, because obviously the roof's sloping. And then you put your bolts, coach bolts, can I say that word? Coach bolts, it's been a long day. And then step over this window opening. And then you put your washers and wing nuts on the inside like that. That's what we've done so far. And then we've done the same for the other side. Like so, over there. And that pulls it all together. And it basically joins the extension to the main cabin, which is here. Gives it a bit of a nice finish. The timber's going on here yet, to tidy that up. But going well. And now what you do now, you just put a timber on there, slot it in, put a timber on, slot it in. And when you get to a certain height, you drill your holes, bolts through, and wing nuts, washers and wing nuts. And Brandon's there putting another timber on. Tap it down with a spare packing piece. There comes Emily, team leader.
I knew you was filming, that's why she's come over.
What do you think so far, Emily?
Looks good.
Looking good.
Yeah.
You haven't been about today. You was meant to be running the project, but you've given up.
Sorry, I went out.
You've done Emily went off and done a watered break, didn't you, Emily? Kept us watered and fed.
Next weekend.
So door's going here. I think it's a double door actually. Door's going there. All right.
Yeah.
Double door. Window there. And then 2 windows there. Looking good. And slowly, the pile of timber is getting less and less. So that's it. I'm packing up and I'm leaving Brandon to it. He's going to do a few more pieces on his own. See you until next time, next video. I'll see you again soon. Quick change of plan. It looks like we're going to put some windows in quickly because I don't want to leave him on his own. And they just literally just slide in. It looks like they just drop in. Oh.
Pull that one over, slide it over.
Whoa. Should have given me some leeway, shouldn't they? Yeah. They're gone.
Will do.
Why not get sitting down?
If you go and kick that in a bit, just keep doing pulling it.
Well, it should go down. Just put a couple of windows in quick. I just helped me put a couple of windows in, slot them in, because they're going so nice. I think we've done it right. We've read the instructions, put some 3 mil pilot holes and 70 mil screws. Have a little look. Looking really nice. It's a lovely window because they've got like, I think they've got like gas struts on them. Have a look from the inside. Yeah. Nice, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
I suppose the bolts are holding that there, aren't they, to this?
Yeah.
So it's all pretty secure. Don't forget, like I say, before you pack away, put some string or something around this to hold the front to the back, because nothing's really...
I'll probably put one of them links across it, screw it down.
Yeah, it's got an old timber from somewhere, but looking really nice. Right, that's it. Finally, I'm going. Thank you for watching, people. I think I'll end this video and then we'll do another one for the other bits and pieces we've got to do. But the windows looking... Actually, that's bloody good. The windows come pre-built, pre-made up. There's a lot of them in. I mean, that's the nuts, really. Just got to put your handles on and you're laughing. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye. Right, we're back round the log cabin project. In my absence, young Brandon, because it was so hot at the weekend and I'm getting old and unfit, he's actually doing a bit in the garden at the moment, so ignore that noise. So in my absence, he's gone ahead and done a few bits, which is great. Does me a favour, because I'm not getting any younger. So he's built up all the walls. I'll show you, and it's built up all the walls to virtually the top now. And I just wanted to talk to you about the windows one moment. Let me just spin the camera around, because we wasn't sure whether the windows got screwed in or not. But they've changed the design. I emailed the technical support at Dunster House, and this particular model cabin, you don't put any screws in the windows at all or the doors. You just put one screw or bolt at the top, so that all floats about. And then the cross timbers hold it up in place. So just to let you know, I'll put some information in this video clip next, or a little screenshot of the instructions. So depending on your cabin, if you've got a cabin without the metal brackets, don't put any screws in at all. Just put one little screw at the top. I'm going to spin the camera around and show you what we've got at the moment. It looks really nice now. Just the roof's got to go on, but the weather's been on and off, been a bit raining, and we've been at work, so we're both knackered. Well, there's the cabin now. The windows are in now, so you put one screw at the top there, and apparently no screws to the sides. So it's looking really good. All the walls are up now. So I'll just zoom in and give you a bit of detail on there. That's the plates holding extension on. And here you have some timbers that go on here. You have a piece that goes on the end here to tie it all up. And the windows are in, door frames in. Looking really, really nice actually. So next is this is only temporary to hold it all together. So the next thing is to put the roof on, finish it off.